Yeah, so I'm just going to show you also a very small demonstration by using this voltmeter. As you can see, this voltmeter, right? If I hold this voltmeter, what is it reading now?
0.0566.
Oh, that means it's about 58, 59, right? Yeah, that is the charges of my body, right? So if I hold this, if I touch the mat and it goes down to
0.011.
yes, as you can see that this particular mat this reading is showing that I am actually removing all the additional charges from my body through this Gaia Grounding Mat. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope that everybody will get lots and lots of the earth benefit onto our body. Okay, not only that, we also have this book called Earthing. The book has been written by the founder himself, Clinton Ober. Clinton Ober and the other doctors, which is Stephen and Martin, they have actually done a lot of research and a lot of clinical studies, and there's a lot of benefits, a lot of things that you can learn through this book. You can actually buy it or get it from the website Gaia Health. Alright, you can actually go to Gaia Health website, you can actually buy this book from there as well. And I recommend you to read this book, because when you read this book, you will learn a lot about what is earthing and the benefits of grounding. Alright, so if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. Please leave your question or your comments under at the comment section. Bye-bye!